Howdy children, welcome to today's lesson. Today I'll be taking you through the importance of clean water. By the end of today's lesson, you should be able to know the importance of clean water. Yes, so now let's quickly go through our keywords. Our keywords for today's lesson are digestion. Digestion. Digestion is the process of breaking down food into smaller particles. We need water to break down this food. Then the next keyword is prevent. Keeping something from happening. Keeping something from happening. Good. Now, tell me, what will happen if we don't drink clean water? If we take in contaminated water, what will happen? Yes. Yes, you will fall sick. Unclean water is not good for our body. So don't be taking unclean water. Always take pure and clean water. Now, water is one of the most important substances on earth. If there is no water, there will be no life on earth. Scientists say we can survive without food for 3 good weeks, but we cannot survive without water for 2 or 3 days. So now tell me, have you eaten without taking water for 3 hours? Have you done that before? What happened? You were feeling uncomfortable, right? And very thirsty. When we ran from, let's say, from the headmistress office to the administration 3 times, what happens? You always feel thirsty. Yes, so we can conclude that what the scientist says about not surviving without water for 3 days is true. We can survive without food for 3 weeks, but we can never survive without water for 2 to 3 days. So now, what do you see on your screen? 2 glasses of water, right? Which one would you like to drink after running from the headmistress office to the playground? The one on the right? That's the clean water. It is crystal clear and free from germs. The other one is contaminated. You have a lot of germs in it, but you can't see it with your eyes. Good. It is most important for the water that we drink to be clean and free from germs in order for us not to be sick. Now let's go through the importance of clean water. So now tell me, why didn't you take the one on the left side? Would you advise someone to drink such water? Be it your mom, your best friend, or your brother? No. That brings us to our main objectives for today's lesson, the importance of clean water. Let's go through it. 1. Drinking clean water can help prevent certain illness. Yes, example is typhoid. Constipation too. When you drink enough clean water, it helps your feces to come out smoothly. Yes. So when you don't drink clean water, you see that you have constipation. Now let's move on to our next importance. It helps in digestion. Drinking clean water before, during, and after a meal will help the body to break it down. When we looked at digestion, and we said digestion is the process of breaking down food into smaller particles. So with the help of clean water, we'll be able to break down our food into smaller particles. And the next one is clean water provide nourishment. Nourishment. Water is number one source of nutrients to our body. The human body is made up of 60% water. So water helps maintain our organs. Our organs both inside and outside. You see, you need clean water to make your skin radiant and smooth. You need water to maintain your organs inside, like your heart, your liver, and the rest. In conclusion, it is most important that the water we drink must be what? Free from germs and chemicals in order to maintain our body. Okay, so now what did we learn today? We learned about the importance of clean water, and we said clean water helps in digestion, the breaking down of food into smaller particles. And we also said that clean water helps to prevent certain illness or diseases. And we said, what are some of the diseases or illness? We said typhoid, right? Yes. We also said that in order for our human body to function well, you need clean water. These are importance of what? Clean water. Now, I have an assignment for you. Write down 4 importance of clean water to human body or human beings. Till I come your way again, be good boys and girls. Always learn hard. And make sure you wash your hands with soap and water. Bye-bye.